Hey everyone, this is Gabe Lunas-Deseski, co-founder of Braintrust Network. Wanted to take a second to welcome you back to another one of our growth snapshots and growth reports. So we'll be going through kind of the top 10 biggest developments in this last month. But before we do that, just wanted to take a second to announce and also to reinforce some of the news from this past week. Braintrust Network just completed a $100 million token purchase by two of the larger firms in the world, Coatue and Tiger, well known for investing and helping many of the Web 2 projects to get to scale, Instacart, Spotify, etc. And this is one of their first actual token purchases. And those funds will be used to accelerate network development and also to launch the first part of our grants program here at the Braintrust Network. So really excited to have them aboard, helping to accelerate the growth here at the network. And also we'll be really excited to announce the first round of our grants program here in the coming months. So keep a close eye for that. Without further ado, let's take it away.
At number 10, we all know that remote work works. But the task now is really to get companies comfortable with the fact that the best talent in the world live all over the globe and don't need to be in the same time zone. So we just launched a new working hours feature that lets companies communicate their location and time zone preferences. At number 9, we know that talent profiles are how talent tell their stories and showcase their talents. Now, talent can see exactly where they are in completing their profiles and precisely what they need to do to get to 100%.
Coming in at number 8 is community. We're seeing talent and our community members take over hosting many of our Brainchest events to help you get hired. Some of these events include profile review sessions, proposal review sessions for talent, one-on-one matching sessions for jobs that are of your interest. We also have community members taking over Brainchest info sessions to explain how Brainchest works, the Web3 project piece of Braintrust to prospective talent to get people buy into this new crypto economy if they're not crypto native people. So really cool to see people so passionate in building the network with us together. At number 7 is also community. We have something very exciting to share with you. We have a new community membership with Braintrust where there are 3 levels of membership. Level 1 is member. Level 2, you become a contributor. And level 3 is leaders. At each level, you can unlock different perks, benefits, access to exclusive events, different bounty sizes. So each level you would advance based on your contributions and what you've done with building the network. And grants you can start applying to grants at level 1. If you're a talent, you start getting exclusive job fairs, matching sessions at level 2. And level 3 leaders actually start controlling budgets for the network. So we're really excited to be able to deploy and roll out this new leveling system first through Discord. If you haven't joined, please check us out. We'll link it in the description below.
And at number 6 is Braintrust in the news. So we've got a great reading and podcast list for you. First up is Dixon and Packy McCormick recently wrote all about the future of Web3 in The Economist and actually called out Braintrust as a wonderful example leading in the Web3 space. Our co-founder, Adam Jackson, was also a guest on the Swiss Road to Crypto podcast. And then both Adam and Gabe appeared on Justin Kahn's The Quest podcast. And then finally, did you hear the news? Braintrust was named an honoree in Fast Company's Next Big Things in Tech.
And at number 5, infrastructure. These next few months are all about open sourcing portions of the application that our different development nodes have delivered, so the community can contribute to this project. So we're going from a small number of development nodes to potentially an unlimited number of contributors. What that involves is opening up the APIs and determining how and when other contributors get into the CI/CD pipeline and connect to APIs. So stay tuned for more information if you'd like to contribute to the development of the Braintrust network.
And number 4, on the talent side, the network saw another huge month for signups, over or almost 3,000 signups on the network. And when people sign up, and they get approved, there was just yet another way that the talent engages through proposals. We saw another record month for 1,800 proposals submitted on open roles on the network. So it's an amazing way to see talent engage with what is being posted on the network, as well as it just being fast for our clients, because we almost every single role that gets posted within 24 hours has at least one proposal. It's great to see the level of activity increase.
And at number 3, the other side of the network, the client side, looking back 18 months has grown 750%. Nearly 500 clients have been onboarded onto the Braintrust network in that period of time. Everything from huge companies like Deloitte and McKinsey and Keller Williams and Nestle, all the way through really great crypto projects like Solana and fast growing startups across the board. At number 2, those clients, of course, have been busy posting jobs. So we just passed the 1,800 job threshold in the last month, just seen exponential growth, really the past 6 months, but across those 18 months period as well.
And at number 1 is talent earnings. Braintrust's gross services volume, or referred to as GSV, is especially important here because it shows how many dollars are actually flowing to the community members that are getting hired in the Braintrust network, and without enormous and egregious fees that are taken out, which is essentially the kind of the principles behind this user-owned network, is to drop those fees as low as possible and put more value into the user's hands. In the last 18 months, we've grown GSV over 2,000%. And it continues to accelerate. So really excited for that in furthering our mission to put both value and power back into the workers' hands. And that's a wrap. That's the top 10 things that have happened just in this last month. Feels like it's been a year, but it's amazing to see the development of this community just in 4 short weeks. Please drop community questions there in the comments. And if you want to get involved, there's lots of ways that you can come here to contribute and help build the future of work with us. Thank you.